What's going on, guys? It's Patio. We're out here with another video today, checking out my Subaru WRX GC8 99. This is my fourth one. I ended up getting another one here, so let's take it for a drive. Lightweight pocket rocket. This exhaust isn't stock, so I believe when I checked, it's a full aftermarket exhaust system I believe from the headers back. Once we check, so there's a few things that's been done to it. Down to third, rev match to second. Sounds amazing. The one other modification this thing does have, we've got some coilovers on the car, which is obviously why the ride's a little bit more stiff compared to the soft spring you get with the Rexy, with the normal Rexy springs, and obviously they sit a lot higher as well. So we do get a nicer ride height with this, a lot lower, a lot more sporty looking, and obviously the handling as well, very much more improved. Alright guys, here it is, the 99 Subaru WRX. I'm not sure how good the audio is because we got peak hour traffic and a highway right behind me, but I continue on the story. So it's got about 180,000 kilometers here in a beautiful dark blue. So the GC8s I've had about, so this black, then I got a white WRX and then a silver RX as well to resell, and now this gorgeous dark blue 99 Rexy, but awesome color here. Original wheels as well, slotted brakes, but everything all stock standard, besides the exhaust and the suspension, of course. That's why it does look a little bit lower here, and though some awesome plates, but I actually didn't do. The previous owner did do that, so continuing on that blue and gold iconic Subaru color scheme. And the most important, obviously, the 5-speed Subaru GC8 transmission here, known as the glass gearbox. They weren't the best, these transmissions, especially when you put a bit of power into them. A somewhat period correct Pioneer head unit here, just complementing the green Speedo. So a lot of old school Subarus, as you can see with the digital time there in green. That's it, kilometers. It's 185,000 kilometers there, so barely anything on there, which I find it a really good steal. Really hard to actually find Subaru GC8s nowadays below 200,000 kilometers, which is quite nice. So definitely a good find. Alright guys, that was the end of the video there. That's the reveal of my new weekend car.
Another Subaru GC8. Couldn't get enough of it. Straight to another one. Probably about one year without one. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next video, or maybe in a few videos after, we'll reveal the daily, which might have been seen in maybe a previous video. Nothing as exciting as this. Stay tuned for that, and hope you guys enjoyed. Wow.